Hello everyone. Are you wondering what clapback means? Let's explore. Clapback refers to a sharp or witty response to criticism, insults, or provocation, often delivered in a way that is both clever and assertive. It's a verbal comeback that aims to put the critic in their place, usually by turning their words against them or highlighting the flaw in their argument. The term is popular in social media and online discussions, where public exchanges often attract attention and where quick, smart replies are celebrated. A successful clapback not only defends the person responding but also entertains or impresses others with its creativity and boldness. In essence, a clapback is about defending oneself with style and sharpness, using words as a tool to regain control of a conversation or situation. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.